Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing a clean source and choosing a tool that fits your needs. First, check your audio quality and length. Low noise and a common sample rate make transcripts more accurate. Once done, sign in, pick the correct language, and enable speaker separation if you need distinct voices. Next, upload the file and name the session so you can find it later. This step speeds review and avoids confusion when you return to edit or export results. Now configure processing settings that balance speed and accuracy. Choose a high accuracy model for complex speech or a faster real-time option for quick drafts. Make sure timestamps and punctuation are on. Add custom vocabulary for names, acronyms, or jargon to reduce errors. Start the transcription and let it complete. Afterward, skim the text for common mistakes, correct punctuation, and mark speaker changes. This middle phase reduces later. Complete the workflow by exporting in the format your project needs and doing a final pass. Export SRT for subtitles, docx for editing, or TXT for search. Make sure numbers, homophones, and proper nouns are corrected. Small fixes improve readability and downstream use. If accuracy is poor, apply noise reduction, reprocess with a different model, or correct manually. One key troubleshooting tip: if the transcript drifts, rerun using speaker-specific vocabulary or shorter clips to isolate problematic sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.